How to block ads on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to reduce sponsored posts based on advertisers and topics you're not interested in. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile picture at the bottom right, then tap the three lines, then tap Settings and Privacy, and tap Settings. After that, tap Account Center. At this point, tap Ad Preferences. Following this, tap Advertisers. From here, you'll see a list of advertisers whose ads you've recently seen. At this stage, tap on the one you want to see less of. Following this, tap Hide Ads from this advertiser. Once hidden, that specific advertiser's ads will stop showing up in your feed going forward. From here, go back to Ad Preferences. At this stage, tap Ad Topics. Following this, you can view and manage which topics you're seeing ads from, letting you hide ones from niches you're not interested in. That's how you block ads on Facebook. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!